Here we've got HTC U Ultra, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you have two possibilities. Let's start with the first one. At first use your phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, here is the IMEI number assigned to your HTC. Click on OK to go back, and now we will open both IMEI and serial number through the settings. So at first let's open the list of all apps, find and choose settings, now locate and open about, and here you will notice phone identity, smoothly open it, and here you've got IMEI number, and a bit lower you've got device serial number. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily locate IMEI and serial number for your HTC. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.